Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find friends on Facebook by phone number. First of all, Facebook does not give us the option to search for friends by using the phone number directly. Instead, we can find friends by uploading our contacts. Open your Facebook app. Then you need to click on these three lines in the top right corner. Now you need to scroll down to go to settings option under the settings and privacy. Scroll down again and under the permissions you can find upload contact option. If it isn't there, you can search for it. So tap on the search bar in the top of all. Now you can search upload contacts option. Then you can find this media and contacts option. So tap on it. Here you can enable contacts upload. So click on this icon to enable it. Next, tap on this get started button in here. So now you can find your friends after uploading your contacts. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.